So today we're addressing a few questions that you need to have answered if you're looking to start property investing in 2025. So the first thing is your budget. In general, the higher the budget you have, the better the area you can get into. So it's always good to get very crystal clear on what you can afford. I'm not saying you should over leverage and over capitalize and buy into an area you can't afford. I'm just get crystal clear on the highest price point that you can afford, and then this will help you to get into better areas. Now, the second thing is risk profile. There's money to be made in both high risk areas and low risk areas, but you need to understand, are you going to hold this property long term? If so, you probably want to go with a low risk area. If you're going to sell within the next few years, or you're just going to extract equity quickly and keep an eye on the market, you can probably go for a few more volatile markets or high risk markets. You just need to keep your eyes peeled just to see if things change. Another point to consider as well: when do you expect to extract equity? When do you expect to make money from this property and utilize the capital growth? If you're looking to build a portfolio very, very quickly, or you're looking to sell over the next few years or extract equity over the next 18 months, you probably want to enter into a hotter, more competitive market that's already moving up or in the right direction. But if you don't mind, you're not going to touch that property for a while, you could enter into a cooler or a slower market, get a decent discount, hold on to it for a few years before it really starts to take off. So again, this comes back to preference. And the last point that I would consider is really important is your investment time frame. Are you going to hold this property for 20, 30 years? Are you buying it under SMSF? If so, you probably want to be buying into a lower risk market, as mentioned before. And if you really only expect to hold it for a few years, then your options are really open and you can enter into any market as long as the data is pointing in the right direction. So look, I hope this episode helps. We're going to be going through the data in the next video to really, explain how we can connect these goals to the data and then how we can derive which areas we should buy using these data points and trends. So look, I think it's going to be very informative. Property investing has changed very drastically, especially over the last 5 to 6 years. So it takes using the data, getting clear on your goals, takes all the guesswork out of property investing. And most property investors, buyers, agents that are working in the investor space, they know which areas are going to grow before they start growing. And they know which areas are giving the returns now or growing right now, and they know the areas that aren't doing so well. So follow for more tips. We're going to take you through the data. I hope this video has helped you to get clear on your goals.